Everyday infrastructure like bridges and railways in Britain are expected to keep people safe, but much of this process is still slow, manual, and rely on large volume data that are difficult to analyze. Our research in NTU Sustainable Design and the Building Environment is using AI to change that. We are combining AI and engineering expertise to transform how infrastructure is monitored, maintained, and managed. We develop machine learning systems that can analyze images of bridges and automatically detect defects, such as cracks and spotting. AI can also help predict cable faults before they happen. This helps engineers quickly identify the areas that need attention rather than searching through thousands of images annually. We combine this with generative AI that reviews inspection results, corrects errors, and clarifies defects. For example, distinguishing real damage from vegetation or background features. We develop an AI assistant. This means the engineer can ask simple questions like, where are the most serious defects? And get immediate answers without needing specialist technical skills. We work closely with industry partners like Network Rail to ensure our research is grounded in real-world challenges. Through this research at NTU, we can reduce the costs of emergency repair and expand the lifespan of critical infrastructure. By detecting defects earlier, we can improve public safety, prioritize the most critical repairs, and extend the life of infrastructure that serves millions of people every year.